Meaning of generalist.
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 Generalist. A generalist is a person who has knowledge and skills across multiple areas, without any specialized expertise in one particular field. Generalists are characterized by their ability to adapt and thrive in a variety of settings and situations. They often possess a broad understanding of different fields and can connect disparate ideas to uncover new insights. While specialists may be better equipped to tackle specific challenges, generalists are more well-rounded and versatile. In today's rapidly changing world, being a generalist can be advantageous, as it allows individuals to learn quickly and adapt to new situations with relative ease.